Hey there, Budget Masters! Welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your go-to place for personal finance tips and tricks. Today we're diving into one of the most popular and powerful budgeting methods, the 50-30-20 budget rule. Whether you are new to personal finance or looking to refresh your budgeting approach, this rule can help you effectively divide your income to cover essentials, enjoy life, and secure your financial future. This method is a great place to start if you want to simplify your spending and get a handle on your finances without complicated spreadsheets. Stick around to learn how this rule can bring balance and peace of mind to your finances, setting you up for long-term success. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as we are going to dive into the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. What is the 50-30-20 budget rule? So, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? Simply, it's a budgeting guideline that divides your after-tax income into three main categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. It's simple, straightforward, and keeps you focused on what matters. First things first, figure out your after-tax income. This is your total income after taxes, health insurance, and other deductions. For salaried employees, this is usually your take-home pay. If you're self-employed or have multiple income sources, add all your monthly income and subtract estimated taxes to get your monthly total. 50% for needs. All right, let's start with the 50% category, needs. This half of your income is for essentials, the things you absolutely can't live without. We're talking about rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, healthcare, and basic transportation. Think of needs as the must-haves that keep your life running. If your needs add up to more than 50% of your income, don't panic. This rule is flexible. You might need to make adjustments to other categories or find ways to reduce expenses. 30% for wants. Next up is the fun part, wants. This is 30% of your income and includes anything that isn't essential but makes life more enjoyable. Dining out, Netflix, hobbies, new clothes, travel, anything that adds a little extra joy to your life. One easy way to manage this category is to set aside cash or create a separate account for your fun money. This way you can enjoy your wants guilt-free and stay within budget. Limiting wants to 30% can help you avoid overspending and ensure you have resources for savings and debt management. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Last but not least, 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. This includes putting money into your emergency fund, saving for retirement, or paying off high-interest debt. This category is all about setting yourself up for a better financial future. If you have high-interest debt, prioritize paying that off first, then focus on building an emergency fund and long-term savings. Prioritizing savings and debt repayment is essential for financial growth and stability, helping to protect against future financial challenges. Applying the 50-30-20 rule in real life. Let's see the rule in action with an example. Suppose you bring home $3,000 a month after taxes. Here's how it would break down. $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, $600 for savings and debt repayment. Breaking your spending into these categories makes it easier to understand where your money is going and helps you stay in control. Adjustments may be necessary to keep spending within these percentages, but the goal is to ensure each category receives a consistent amount of attention, improving overall financial balance. Why the 50-30-20 rule works. The beauty of this rule is its simplicity. It's easy to follow, flexible, and helps you focus on your financial priorities without overwhelming you with too much detail. It prevents overspending by setting clear guidelines and encourages mindful financial habits without excessive restriction, making it easier to stick with over time. Plus, it's a great starting point for anyone new to budgeting. Common questions about the 50-30-20 rule. Let's tackle some common questions about the 50-30-20 rule. 1. What if my needs are more than 50%? If your needs exceed 50%, try to find ways to cut costs in other areas or reduce your wants budget. You can also aim to gradually bring your expenses down over time. 2. What if I don't have any debt? Can I put all of the 20% towards savings? Absolutely. If you're debt-free, focus on building up your savings or investing for the future. 3. Can I adjust the percentages? Yes, the 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a strict rule. Feel free to adjust it to fit your specific goals and lifestyle. Making the 50-30-20 rule work for you. Remember, this rule is meant to be a helpful guideline, not a rigid set of rules. Don't be afraid to make adjustments if it doesn't fit perfectly with your situation. The important part is to use it as a foundation for building healthy spending and saving habits. Automation tools, like setting up automatic transfers to savings, can ensure regular contributions. Also, reevaluate the distribution periodically to match income changes or major financial goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. Tailoring the rule to fit your lifestyle can enhance its impact on your financial health, making it a sustainable, personalized budgeting solution. Quick tips to stick to the 50-30-20 rule. Here are a few quick tips to help you stick to the 50-30-20 rule. 1. Use a budgeting app. Apps like Plum, Chip, and Monzo can help you track each category easily. If you need more details about the budgeting apps, check out our video, Top 10 Money Saving Apps. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and debt accounts. 3. Review and adjust monthly. Check in with your budget each month and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. The 50-30-20 rule explained. It's a simple and effective way to manage your money without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, budgeting doesn't have to be complicated to be powerful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any future budgeting tips. Also, you can download all related resources and guides in the description section below. Thanks for watching and happy saving.